Hi everyone, Deb here. I have a small Spellbinders haul. The first thing is I did decide to join two of their clubs. One is Embossing Folder of the Month and one is Large Die of the Month. Now when I joined it was towards the end of September, so I got the September ones of those and then I'll get the October ones whenever they ship October. And I wanted the October. I actually wanted one other one in September, but they were out of it. And I think it was small dot stamp of them. I can't remember. So I got the this one I really liked. It's the Boolicious Fall Cupcake, and it gets all these pieces with it. This is the large die of the month club. It's got acorns, ghosts, icing, little confettis on the cupcake, textures for the cupcake, um, a bone. I can't even tell what all these little pieces are, but this is, oops, this is what it looks like. Make your own boo card, and it shows the different pieces to do the cupcake for a boolicious cupcake. So I think I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna have fun with it. Now I think there are add-ons you can get that are for the other seasons as well. I didn't get those. I figure I have enough other, like for fall, I could make one because I have enough little leaves and acorns and stuff that I could make my own. But I did buy separately these, what are they called? Detailed cutting dies. What's the name of them though? Oh, here. Notched corner frames like they used on here because I thought those were really cool, and I'm all about nesting dies and stuff. So you get 10 cutting dies. These, I don't have the prices, guys, because and some of them were on sale and some weren't. I don't think these were. I think they were like an add-on thing you could get to go with to make this. I just like the shape of these, and I don't have anything like that that I recall. And you get tiny little ones. You know, you could put a little hello or something in there, or a boo, which I think maybe is what they did, although that looks more rounded. But you could do a boo in that too. So I thought those were pretty cool. So I got them as a separate thing. And then the other kit is the embossing folder. Now I did not realize, I'm glad I got this because I was on the fence. I thought I have other leaves and things. This is cascading leaves and stripes. You can probably see it better here because I don't want to take it out of the plastic. But the thing is, this is really big. It's 5.5 by 8.5. So you can use it for A2, for slimline, which is, you know, the 8.5 is for that. 5 by 7 cards and more with this special 5.5 by 8.5 folder size. So I'm glad I got it because I don't have anything that big that I can use it on slim lines as like regular size slim lines as well. Obviously mini slim lines you can use a smaller one. So this is bigger than any leaf embossing folder I have, and it's got leaves and stripes, which you obviously can see better here. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm going to put that in with my fall bin that's right next to me to use soon. um, anyway, so I signed up for those, and I don't know how long I'll do them, but I thought with the holiday season coming, I would like to try them for a little bit. I didn't get the small die of the month, and then I did get, this had been in my cart apparently. I probably didn't really need this, but I got it. Forever Green. It's just greenery on an embossing folder, which I thought was really cool. And I like, they have like speckles on it. I don't know if somebody added them later. Or, no, they're actually in the embossing folder. So now this is a regular size one. A2 size, 4.25 by 5.5. So I'll get good use out of that as well, I'm sure. And actually, I've been going through some stuff and I found this pre-cut paper, but wouldn't that go pretty with that because it's got the branches, so I can texturize something else and put it with this. I don't know about that card mat, but anyway, you know, you get the idea. And then I couldn't resist this house mouse. This might have been I don't know. I can't remember if this was under the new or yeah, 2023. It's called This Tall. I have a collection of house mouse stamps. This is Monica and Amanda. I'm assuming that's Monica and that's Amanda. I'm not sure. Um, but I have always measured my kids, and at this house, my daughter was grown. My son was a teenager, preteen when we moved in here. Um, Actually, he might have been around 13. Anyway, I have a what do you call it? Like a baseboard around the door around the doorway, and it's all marked with my grandkids and my kids' heights as they grew. So I might even be on there once too to make sure I'm not shrinking. Anyway, it says it's 3 stamps. Oh, because there's sentiments in it, which is not typical in most of the house mouse. It says you made it and congratulations. So I thought that was cool, and I'm looking forward to using that for just for generic. And then 2 more items that go together. And this one, I watched somebody's haul, and that was a boo-boo, because, you know, yeah. So I got this parcel and post mailbox, because I don't have one like that. The only one I have is like a, like it's on a pole with the, like kind I have at my end of my driveway. It just has a rounded mailbox on the end, but it's not like a sidewalk one for like in a city or something. It's what I consider these. I don't know. Or the ones right outside the post office, although half the time now they're just slots in the wall. Anyway, so you can see it comes, these are the dies, right? And you get these flowers that come with it, which don't look very Christmassy or anything. And I got the sentiment add-on. They do have other seasonal things, but again, I thought I have enough leaves and acorns and stuff, I could make a fall one. This says please deliver to Santa, and I think that was a different stamp or something. But this one says letters for Santa, North Pole. I'm trying to see if there's a, no, please deliver to Santa must be a different one. There's a little envelope in here to the one that has my heart, sending a little holiday sparkle. I like that. Happy birthday to a very special person. Opening this card will fill you with happiness, filled with the happiest birthday wishes. So I got 3 birthdays. Kindly deliver to my dear friend. I could use that. Sending congrats. We're so happy for you. That could be like a wedding one or any congrats, right? But the we're, I don't know if I'd use that. Well, I could if I send it from my son and I. Stuffed with a million thanks, you know, so all kinds of uses for this. And I thought it was good. Now here is these die cuts, but in a different colorway. So really cute. And I think I'll get good use out of that also if I don't forget I have it by that time. And it's got like the side panel, another piece for up here, the handle that goes on it. Yeah, there's a little square here to cut your sentiment out, to put it in there. And the little envelope die. Oh, I wonder if that cuts this out. Maybe it does. Maybe. Anyway, really cute. And I may later go back and get some of the other add-ons if they still have them. But this was enough for now. And that's it. That's my small haul. I got those and house mouse and this forever green and the cupcake and this large die of the month and the embossing folder of the month club. So I'll be getting October's, which I think are going to be Christmas related, but I'm not positive. I didn't go on the site. I think around the 6th they said they switched to the October, you know, to show you what they are. but I think I've seen some people already unboxing them. They must be on like the design team or something. And I'm pretty sure they're Christmassy. So, yay, that'll be cool. Anyway, that's what I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and come back soon. Hugs, love, and peace.